Damn, nice ass day. Yo, bro, don't you think so?
Oh boy, more Ritz crackers. Bull's getting out of control. Whoa, buddy. Goddamn Pac-Man.
Whoa, buddy. You slow down a little bit.
Wow, bro. I love him so much.
I mean, shit, I like him too, but like...
You're gobbling them.
I...
Going ham. Eating them bitches like candy. Whoa, hold on now, buddy. No Bev? Oh boy, here comes the madness. Them crackers clapping back. Boy got the hiccups. Oh, gripping her chest.
Yo,
It's
bro.
about to be punching. What is you doing? He's struggling.
You good?
Yup. Just these hiccups. Boy, you is red like the wallpaper.
Yo!
My man is suffering.
Those is the hiccups, right?
Yeah. No. This is the fatality. Ate a lot, you know.
Do I gotta help you or something?
Good God.
What's it?
Google, man.
Google?
Filled with liars. Come on, hurry up. Buddy is fumbling.
Sorry.
Hiccups cutting in on your deadlines.
Just don't die, man. Don't die.
Nigga, I'm not dying. Just the hiccups. Just the hiccups.
Signals for heart attack.
It's
Hiccups.
Scare me, man, scare me. Those ain't the hiccups no more. Goddamn butter boy.
I don't know what, man. I'm just gonna figure this out. Right? Right?
Man's deep in the gutters. Hiccups my ass. Damn crackers.
Yo, wake up, bro. Yo, wake up.